Hello, my name is Rebecca Moreno. You have heard about me making Earth Day videos since 2013. I will be talking about, since my first video, what have changed on me and others and what have changed on this planet. Myself. I have grown more consciousness, more aware. I have learned more things. I treat animals with more responsibility. I also try to protect plants by water them out and etc. I 100% avoid littering at school, streets, or home, or when I play outside. I try to talk to my friends about global warming a lot, and about not littering, and about why the weather is changing severely. Others. Some of my friends have grown consciousness. They have also grown awareness. For example, 2 of my friends and I have learned about alternative energy. We made a project at school where we explained about wind energy. Earth, our planet. According to NOAA, 2015 was the year that made record temperatures on Earth and ocean in history. The temperature on land of the year 2015 reached an increase of 2.39 Fahrenheit compared to the other years. This page from NOAA, or the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, shows this. The temperature on seas has increased to 1.33 Fahrenheit on 2015. The increase made El Niño, and El Niño makes very bad weather everywhere. On this picture, you see the comparing of El Niño since 1997 to 2015. The red shows the temperature on seas, and as you see, there is a dramatic increase. There are more droughts where it's already dry. The red spots represents the most driest place. And places with more heavy rain and when it's already raining. We just had a major flood in Houston. Just look at these pictures. They were taken about 2 days ago in my town, Houston. Here's another website from NASA. It's called Global Climate Change. It shows you a very scary fact. It's about the carbon dioxide level on planet Earth. About 2 years ago, I went with my dad to a lecture about named Chasing Ice, and I learned about how high the levels of carbon dioxide affected our planet. This graph, based on the comparison of atmospheric sample contained in ice cores and more recent direct measurements, provide evidence that the atmospheric CO2 has increased since the Industrial Revolution, since 1950. Now this is how CO2 affects our planet. One of the effects is Number 1, sea level rise. Global sea level rose about 17 centimeters, or 6.7 inches, in the last century. Number 2, global temperature rises on sea and land. Check this video out from NASA. This looks pretty bad. Number 3. Shrinking ice sheets. The Greenland and Antarctic ice sheets has decreased in mass. Number 4. Extreme events. Hurricanes, strong storms, droughts, floods, tornadoes happen in this situation. Number 5. Ocean acidification. Since the beginning of the Industrial Revolution, the acidity of surface ocean waters has increased about 30%. This increase is the result of human emitting more carbon dioxide into the atmosphere and hence being more absorbed into the ocean. How acidification affects seas. Many marine organisms that produce calcium carbonate shells or skeleton are negatively impacted by increasing CO2 levels and decreasing pH in seawater. The increase of CO2 had triggered a devastating event of coral bleaching into the Great Barrier Reef. Look at 1980. It looks very gorgeous and colorful, but right now, 2015, it's kind of losing its color. And scientists predict in 2050, it's going to lose all its color. This is coral bleaching. As you see, it's losing its nutrients and color. This is just a few examples of the reality of the effects on our planet because of CO2. There is much more to show about one truth. If we keep doing the same way of our life in our planet and keep ignoring the signs of a sick planet, and if we do really nothing about it, and I mean all the habitats of this planet, then this planet could not be able to host life on the near future. After review all the facts, it really looks like there's not much hope to stop and reverse the damage. But here I like to present some positive things we could still do and maybe save this planet. Number 1, save water as much as you can. Number 2, don't litter. Number 3, reduce, reuse, and recycle. Number 4, save energy. Number 5, look for clean energy resources. Number 6, eat healthy and exercise. Number 7, learn how to get along. Now, on my deep opinion, it does look like kids of my generation will face some hard times in the future. So here's some advices about a few things us kids we could do on the future. Number 1, work together. Number 2, learn how to grow crops. Definitely find natural clean energy resources. Number 4, stop 100% using fossil fuels. Number 5, learn how to change seawater into drinking water. Number 6, respect all living things, respect all animals, become vegetarian. Number 7, research or find a new planet where humans can start over by learning from our mistakes in the past. Well, friends, this is all. I hope this information can help you someday. All these facts are real. It has strong scientific evidence. And remember, Earth Day is not only about celebrating. You gotta do something about it. Thanks for watching.